you need a helping hand. Cross the dell and ring the bell, he'll understand. Don't worry, 'cause here comes Oakie Doke. The friendliest of folk is Mr. Oakie Doke. Oakie Doke, a helpful handy man. Get ready for good old Mr. Oakie Doke.
Right. Today is a day for getting things done. And before I have my lunch, I'm sure there was something. Nothing to do before lunch. Except have lunch. And seeing as it's such a lovely day, I shall have it outside.
Rock-a-bye, tadpole, on the lily pad top. When the wind blows, in the water you'll drop.
What you doing, Granny?
I'm singing, of course.
No, the bottles. What are you making?
Oh, I see. I've made some real lemonade. And
Lemonade!
Great! But it's not ready for drinking yet. It needs to settle in the bottle for a couple of days. There. Now I'm going to take the Tads for a little walk to Mrs. Tickle's shop. So, make sure you behave yourselves while I'm away.
All right, Granny.
See you later.
My hat! Lizzie Tickle, what's that?
This? It's going to be a statue of Oakie Doke.
Yes? It doesn't look much like him.
I haven't been working on it long.
You keep at it, dear.
Hello, Granny Annie. What can I get you today?
Oh, just one or two things for the youngsters' tea. I've got a list.
Oh!
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, me too.
I know. Let's have some of that real lemonade.
Oh, Granny said it wouldn't be ready for a few days.
Well, it couldn't do any harm to try a bit. Oh, lovely. Do you want some?
No, I think I'll wait a couple of days, just like Granny's.
Oh, I've got hiccups. There's nothing like lunch in the open air on a beautiful day like this. Now, what shall I surprise myself with? Some freshly baked bread? Thank you. And perhaps you would care for a spot of mushroom and hazelnut pâté. Oh, you're too kind. A little fruit, perhaps? Oh, that would be lovely. Well, you stay right there, and I'll go and fetch it. Marvellous. What it is to have friends like me.
Ding-dong bell, the tadpole's down the well. Who puts him in the... Hello? What's that? Whatever's the... I told you that lemonade needed a few days to settle, didn't I?
Yes, Granny.
Well, you've only got yourself to blame then. Silly frog. Well, what you need to do is hold your breath. Take a big breath now. And out. There you are. Oh, not gone.
This is the life. Hello there, Granny Annie. Lovely day.
It would be if it wasn't for the hiccups.
Oh dear, you've got hiccups.
No, it's Moses the scamp.
He drank some of Granny Annie's real lemonade, you see, and that gave him...
dear. Leave this to me, will you?
You'd better come up here, young Moses. I think I can do something to those hiccups. Yes, It's a bad case, all right. Still, I know a couple of ways to get rid of hiccups. You could drink some water out of the wrong side of the cup.
Which is the wrong side?
What he means is you drink out of the side furthest away from you.
Yes, that's what I mean. Of course. Right.
Hello, Rose. Oh, hello, Lizzie. You seen Rose, have you?
Well, she might be at her house, Manny. This is Oakie Doke.
Oh, no, don't tell me I've gone and taken another wrong turn. Oh, what's that? Scarecrow, is it?
No, it isn't a scarecrow. I'm making a statue of Oakie Doke.
Oh. Oh, well, of course it's okay. I'd recognise that nose anywhere.
That's his ear.
Yes. Well, I'd best be off. I've got to find Rose, and I know that she's...
Goodbye.
Right, Moses. That should be long enough.
Ooh. Oh, I feel all dizzy. Oh, and hickey too.
Oh, well. Let's try this then. You hold a pencil between your teeth and then drink some water.
That won't work.
What? Why not?
Frogs don't have teeth.
Right. In that case, Moses, hold a pencil between your gums and drink some water. Oh, bother! Oh, well, there's only one thing for it.
What's that?
Mrs. Tickles. She just might have a hiccup remedy in stock at her shop. Follow me.
Right, some handbags and a bag of mixed nuts, please, Mrs. T.
Yeah, talking of nuts. What's that there? It looks pretty nutty to me.
It's a statue of Oakie Doke.
Oh, hey! What's that?
It's a statue of Oakie. Only everyone says it's horrid.
Oh, it's not horrid at all, Lizzie. It's just not finished yet. When you've finished it, it'll be wonderful. It's me, isn't it?
You recognise it?
Of course I do. That ugly old mug. I see it every morning in the mirror. Hey! Hey! My hiccups! Oh. They've gone! What? Oh, wow! It must have been the shock that did it. Well, well, well. Not only a lovely statue, but a cure for hiccups as well. It's just like I always say. Lemonade, it is said, will give you the hicks, but a statue will soon put an end to your fix.
If you have a problem and you need a helping hand, cross the dell and ring the bell, he'll understand. Don't worry, 'cause here comes Oakie Doke. The friendliest of folk is Mr. Oakie Doke. Oakie Doke, a helpful handy man. He's the one who gets things done throughout the